Simple tips to compress images in PowerPoint presentations. Do you have a tough time uploading a PowerPoint file, but the file size is too big? It can be extremely frustrating, especially when you are in a hurry. Well, don't you worry. I have a solution for you to get away with this problem. In this video, I'm going to share tips to compress images in PowerPoint so that you can easily share your presentation without a glitch. To check the current file size, you need to go to the backstage view of your PowerPoint presentation. Click on the File option on the top left of your PowerPoint screen. Select the Info option under the Properties. You will see the file size of your presentation. For example, in the video, the PowerPoint file size is 15.8 MB. To reduce the file size, you need to open your PowerPoint file. Select a slide that contains an image or picture. Select the image or picture. Click the Picture Format ribbon at the top of the screen. Click Compress Pictures to the right of the transparency icon. Click the Picture Quality drop-down and choose On-Screen 96p. Select the checkbox to delete cropped areas of pictures to reduce the overall size of the image or picture in the presentation. Apply to all pictures in this file is default and recommended for a smaller file. If you only want to edit the currently selected picture, uncheck that. And finally, click OK. To check the current file size again, you need to go to the backstage view of your PowerPoint presentation. Click on the File option on the top left of your PowerPoint screen and select the Info option under the Properties. You will see the file size of your presentation. As you can see now, the file size is reduced drastically by 3.9 MB. Always think outside of the box when experiencing hurdles in your presentation creation. Something as simple as utilizing the Compress Pictures tool can make a big difference in your day-to-day operations. No more headaches transferring, and no more waiting to load. If you're experiencing an issue with your presentation, comment down below. We've likely found a solution somewhere along the way. Happy presenting. See you in the next episode of Get Smart. Peace.